What a scramble. We are gonna go explore some canyons. We are gonna pull out the bungee cord skimboard setup. Luke and I are headed out on a dad mission. We're gonna get high up on some rocks.
Might be able to get higher on this side.
We can. That's a tough bottom section.
Look, this island's already filling in.
Oh, it's looking good for the skimboarding, dude. This is the end. We might be able to go scramble up here on the left. Up that shoulder. That looks steep though.
Stay hydrated in the desert.
You're doing a good job. Someone wrote Lenny upside down out there. It does face south. It's probably correct.
More removed than I was expecting.
That looks like a lot. I don't know if we need that. Look at this, like, old rock sediment shelf. I think it's like old clay when it flowed. That clay came and hardened. And this is where it waterfalled off on the next big flow. That floor probably goes all the way up into both canyons.
A lot of beers today. I don't feel like getting crazy.
Good. We'll settle down then. We are going to walk across this little path, get on this shelf here, go over here, and then get up on that guy there. Up there, over there, up to there. Stepping onto slick rock. Now we are invincible. You want to race up this part?
You go that side, I go this side.
Oh yeah.
Damn it.
Gotta hammer sometimes. Wow. Wow.
Get too dizzy.
This is a pretty heavy finish. What a scramble.
Like we're riding a triangle bag.
You gotta get around the corner. One of the more rowdy scrambles I've done. This last part was heavy. The children are all right here. A couple of proud dads up here. All right, what do we got in the background? Is that good
Oh my
enough?
god, I'm getting dizzy when I look up.
Is that sick enough? Does that look totally sick?
Careful.
Running at these heights is a bad idea.
It's a certain death left or right.
That's right. There's that clay shelf. And there's the boat. We're on the shelf. Here it is.
Ooh, that water's pretty chilly.
The size of this thing. Big clay feeling. Back cut, nice strong shelf. Probably 15 feet down there.
Footprints.
Big old muck pile. Day 4. We slept great last night. Big day of water sports up there. A lot of wakeboarding, a lot of boat time, a lot of sun time. This morning we are going for a quick little knee board. Alright buddy, here's some serious knee boarding for you. Up.
Woo, yeah, guys.
Now that we've accomplished knee boarding, we are going to go explore some canyons.
But I'm gonna do more knee boarding.
After after the channel, right?
Yeah, after the channel.
Okay. Still 34 feet deep, but we'll slow it down from here. Get into a tree situation here. You gotta be careful. Still saying 25 feet deep though. Oh wow, look at this forest, guys. Pretty cool little sunken forest. But I think this is as far as we're gonna take Pleasant Reaction. Being 8 miles out in the lake and wrecking a prop does not sound fun. Pretty cool, I should bring the paddle boards over here. Alright, it looks good this time. Easy. Alright. Dylan's getting his driving lesson. Easy on that throttle, buddy. Alright, straighten her out. Straighten her out sooner. Headed down Glenn's boat for a little surf sesh. Yeah. Bryce was getting bored, so we are gonna pull out the bungee cord skimboard setup. I am so psyched for this. I've always wanted one of these things. Go. Oh, here we go.
Woo! What you doing over here?
We're testing the little bungee skimboard thing I bought off of Instagram. But this side over here, the skimboard length is short, so we're building our own skimboard channel here. We have the kids ripping across there.
How's it going, Luke?
Pretty good, but Joe's not keeping up with the flow of water.
Still got more. Their channel straight through. Oh, I veered at the end. That wasn't good.
What?
My architecture skills are poor. This is gonna widen out. our skimboard track. What did we think of bungee cord surfing?
It was the best one. The best.
That's 3 bests, Shay.
Thumbs up.
Good. 3 bests and a good, I'll take it. For the first time all trip, I am in charge of cooking. Leftover fajitas, last of the sausages. We need some ramen going. The classic. The kids have been fed. Amanda and I have eaten. Our tent blew over with a broken stick today. Glenn and Carla left their tent. We're gonna sleep in that. Ours is still holding all the clothing. Everything's fine. Electric cooler update. This thing never worked. It made it 2 days. Not worth it. Not a good idea. Pretty excited to carry that down to the boat in the morning. But we had an awesome time, right?
Oh yeah.
We are departing. Woke up early, realized we were literally out of water, both us and Luke. Luke and I missed out on the early morning water ski sesh because we needed to just pack up, tuck tail, and get going home. Got a tired but happy crew. Bryce, how was your camping weekend?
Awesome.
Dylan, how about you?
Good.
This was our first 5-nighter, I think, ever for me and Amanda. Went pretty good, minus the electric cooler dying, running out of ice.
The boat not working.
Oh, and the boat not starting the first day. Yeah, that was a fun start to the whole trip. But we had an awesome time. Now we are gonna motorboat out of here and go get some water. Go ahead. No, no, hold on. We're a little close to shore, buddy.
Sorry, Dad.
It's all right. Let's get around the corner and then we'll gun it, all right?
Yeah.
We're at 26.
I know how to gun it.
You do know how to gun it. You got it. We got a lot of weight in this thing. Boy. Oh, boy. Come on, catch back up. Oh, turn it. Pulling in the marina. If you like this video, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Bunk screws are getting loose. Just gonna take it off and rebuild this thing at home later. God, I love doing boat stuff.